Hello, it's Luke for Divine Star, and I just quickly want to make this video showing off Dream Space Infinite and give you an update of everything that I've been working on the last few weeks. I realize I haven't posted a video in 3 weeks. I've just been super busy. Maybe you can tell I look pretty tired. Yesterday I looked even worse. I even had darker circles underneath my eye. I've been pretty much waking up every day at 4 a.m. working on either DV or Dream Space Infinite, just trying to get it all working and running good. And I'm still not 100% of the way there, but I'm good enough for an Alpha 0 release of Dream Space Infinite. So I just want to check that out. So this is actually on a website, dreamspaceinfinite.com. So if you go to that website, let's just reload it. Start logo, and then we get the game. Let me press start. You can see I already made a save here. There's not much going on, but I just want to show making a new save. All right, and then I'll just delete it. But we're gonna play this one. Just press play. And here are all the tasks that are going on while the world is loading. And we're just building because the world is pretty much done loading where it's at. So here we are in Dream Space Infinite, and this is the main dimension called Elysium. I think the proper pronunciation is Elysian. I don't think I like it that much. I'm going to keep it as Elysium. It's a Greek term for heaven or whatever, but there's not much you can do other than what you've seen in the other videos. You can break stuff, and you can get this say a line of voxels over to you. This one will blow stuff up. I'm not going to keep this around, just as at least as a starting spell, so I guess I'll get too attached to that. But yeah, this is an infinite, or practically infinite, voxel game that you can play in your browser and storage all the data in the browser using IndexedDB. Generally it works. I've not run into any problems just starting the world and running around and just checking stuff out. I guess the main interesting thing that generates right now are the temples, but in general I'm going to be keeping people in the dark about every aspect of the game just because I want to have a sense of mystery still, and a sense of exploration and adventure, figuring the game out, what everything does. I don't really want to put together a giant form or wiki. At least right now. I think people eventually will start to do that. Especially because Dream Space Infinite is actually the alpha version of the game that I really, really want to make, called Imperium Crystalline Dread. And that's going to be even more complex. So yeah, this game is going to be free. You can just download and play it. When you don't have to download it, you can just go to the website and play it. I'm going to be continually adding cool stuff and going from there, and then when I get ready to release Imperium Crystalline Dread, that will be paid for, have a lot more features, a lot more going on. That'll be a game that you can download. But yeah, I'm really happy with how everything's looking. Everything plays great in the browser. I've noticed a few problems on the new Macs. I don't really know what it is. It's just WebGL does not, or WebGL2 does not really like playing with that. I don't really know what's going on. I even see it struggling with just some basic CSS animations. So I guess don't complain to me if you're playing on an M1. This is my main target right now. It's just Windows machines. So that's as much as I can support without going crazy. And I think that's generally what most people have anyway. It's just a Windows, Intel, or AMD machine, not a souped up ARM processor called an M1. Oh, there's one. All right, there's a temple. Eventually, these temples will serve as dimensional gateways into other dimensions. That's kind of their whole purpose. And I guess Elysian's whole purpose is, besides being your home world, your home realm, home dimension, it's supposed to act as a nexus point between all other dimensions in the astral plane. And of course, this red temple here will eventually take you to the crimson dimension. Yep. And I guess just a pro tip for anyone that's been watching this long is if press F3, you get a command cancel. And I'm only going to show you one command. And that's position. So in case you get really stuck, you can just press F3 and then enter in this command, press enter. You can also see a list of all the commands. Type help. I think if you type describe, it'll show you. Yeah, but I don't have any information for position. What if I do there, ls, which is just the local storage interface that I added. But yeah, this thing is a whole deal in itself. This is not HTML. This is all Canvas. But anyway, that's all I really have to say about Dreamspace Infinite right now. I'm pretty happy with how everything is. I'm going to keep working on this over the next year or so, and then after we get at a pretty good point with this, I'm going to start working on Imperium Christian Dread. I'm literally going to copy paste this and then start that game from there. In terms of Divine Voxel Engine, I'm very, very close to releasing a beta version. There's a couple of things that I need to do. You can check out the issues on GitHub. I only have a few things left that I got to do before I release that in beta. I've broken out certain parts of the engine into their own plugins, so the progress of those plugins have no bearing on the Voxel engine. So that has kind of made development a little easier. I think it definitely makes a lot more sense to do it that way. So Infinite World Generation is its own plugin now. So is the physics plugin that I have, and I made a basic player example. I put a lot of effort into just getting Divine Voxel Engine and all the libraries it uses broken out into their own node modules, make sure it works all great with Webpack, make sure it works with React, and I got that all squared away. It's working great. I am just really excited about the future, really excited about Divine Star. Even just in my personal life, I got a new job that pays really well. I'm going to be working as a senior JavaScript 3D web person, so I guess don't laugh at my voxels. They are paying me very well eventually. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.